What you going, goodies? Your girl gonna make some fish. I'm gonna steam these fish, some nice doctor fish and snapper. Just gonna season them up and steam it down. Already clean them up nicely. Wash them with some lemon juice, black pepper, well seasoned. Then I have some ground seasoning here, okra, bell peppers, green onion, hot pepper, onion, and thyme. So I have my pot here on the stove. So I'm just gonna add some butter. Garlic, chopped garlic. So I'm gonna add my vegetables, my ground seasoning. So I added some squid fish sauce, and I added a fish noodle, and I added some 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, which is optional, but I just want to balance the taste, a little bit of sweet, a little bit of tangy. So I'm gonna add some ketchup right now to get the tanginess, not much. Ketchup. Leave this now for 2 minutes, and then we add our fish. So good as I add the fish, and I'm just gonna cover this now and leave it to steam. Over here I have a Dutch pot with some water and some butter. I'm gonna season this up. I am going to be cooking some turned cornmeal or polenta, whatever you call it. Okay, goodies, so fish done, steam. So I took off the cover. Look on this one, up, because when you cook doctor fish, if them old, them always tough and up. So now watch that one thing. But look on this one, and the ones underneath, they are very soft. So this is the final result. I'm gonna show you my turned cornmeal. It's still cooking. Stay tuned. See, I'm gonna share up some. Alright, goodies, so that's the fish, and this is my turned cornmeal, my polenta. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just going to cut my polenta like this and just serve it on. That's it, goodies, right there.